Okay, since I got the motor to this stage, it's not quite finished yet. I thought I'd give it a quick test run to see if it's all working right again. So here goes, this is the first test run. Ah, and it works. Seems to be alright. As you can see, I haven't got the greasers in yet or the stand, so it rocks a bit. So that's good to see. I've finished getting it back together now. Okay, the motor's all complete now. I had to bring it in the kitchen because it was running the wrong way. So I had to swap the field coil wires around and get it running clockwise again. So this shows it works. The next video will be more about the lathe and getting that finished and putting the motor on the lathe as well.